Brother, have you ever removed your car battery and later the car acts strange? Lights glitch, warning signs pop up, or the radio forgets everything. This problem often starts from one simple mistake during battery terminal removal. Many drivers think it is harmless because the engine is off. Popular auto guides explain that modern cars still hold electrical energy, even after shutdown. The solution starts with awareness. Battery work is not just unplug and go. Practical tip: always slow down and plan the steps before touching the terminals. Stay with me, because the first mistake happens before the wrench even turns. Buddy, here is the hook. Most people rush and do not let the car fully sleep. Modern vehicles have computers that stay active for a short time. Consumer car tech sources explain that sudden power loss can confuse modules. The solution is simple. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and wait a few minutes. Practical tip: do not open doors or press buttons while waiting. This small pause protects your electronics. Next, we talk about the mistake that causes sparks. Brother, the biggest mistake is removing the wrong terminal first. Science says the car body is connected to the negative side of the battery. If you remove the positive terminal first and your tool touches metal, you create a short. The solution is always removing the negative terminal first. Practical tip: loosen it carefully and move the cable away so it cannot snap back. You are doing great learning this, and next you will understand why this order matters so much. Buddy, when the negative terminal stays connected, the whole car body can carry current. Auto safety articles explain that metal tools can complete a circuit instantly. The solution is cutting the ground connection first. Practical tip: keep your wrench controlled and never let it rest on the battery. This habit alone prevents most accidents. Up next, we cover the opposite mistake during reconnection. Brother, many drivers repeat the same error when putting the battery back. Electrical basics show that reconnecting in the wrong order also causes sparks. The solution is reconnecting the positive terminal first and the negative last. Practical tip: make sure clamps sit straight before tightening. You are building solid car care habits. And next, we talk about memory loss in your car. Buddy, ever noticed your clock resets or windows act weird after battery work? Automotive electronics guides explain that memory depends on stable voltage. The solution is being ready for resets or using a memory saver. Practical tip: write down important settings before disconnecting. You are not breaking anything, just being prepared. Keep going, because safety goes beyond electronics. Brother, batteries release gases, especially during charging. Basic chemistry explains these gases can ignite from sparks. The solution is working in a well-ventilated area. Practical tip: never lean your face directly over the battery. Safety always beats speed. You are learning smart habits, and next we cover corrosion issues. Buddy, corrosion on terminals increases resistance and causes weak starts. Popular maintenance sources explain buildup blocks good electrical flow. The solution is cleaning terminals before reconnecting. Practical tip: use a proper brush and cleaner, not random metal objects. Clean connections means stronger starts. Next, we talk about tools. Brother, wrong tools cause slipping, stripped bolts, and accidents. Mechanics recommend insulated handled tools for battery work. The solution is using the right wrench size. Practical tip: remove rings and watches before starting. Small metal items can cause big problems. Up next, we slow things down. Buddy, rushing is the enemy of safe maintenance. Studies on human error show most mistakes happen under hurry. The solution is slow, focused work. Practical tip: take a quick photo before removal so you remember cable positions. Simple tricks save time later. Next, we check before reconnecting. Brother, before reconnecting, check that lights, radio, and climate controls are off. Electrical load during reconnection causes sparks. The solution is double-checking switches. Practical tip: close doors so interior lights stay off. You are now thinking like a technician. Next, we talk about loose terminals. Buddy, loose battery terminals cause starting problems and charging issues. Electrical theory explains resistance rises with poor contact. The solution is firm, but careful tightening. Practical tip: gently wiggle the clamp to confirm it is secure. Strong connections protect your system. Next, sparks explained. Brother, A tiny spark can be normal, but big sparks mean something is wrong. Auto safety guides warn about active loads during reconnection. The solution is stopping and checking again. Practical tip: if sparks look strong, disconnect and recheck accessories. Stay calm and controlled. Next, special cars. Buddy, some modern cars have sensitive electronics. Manufacturer manuals explain special battery procedures for certain models. The solution is always checking your owner manual. Practical tip: a quick search saves expensive repairs. Knowledge is power here. Next, the core lesson. Brother, the main mistake is ignoring terminal order and preparation. Science and real-world repairs prove correct steps prevent damage. The solution stays simple and consistent. Negative off first, negative on last. Practical tip: repeat this rule every time. You are ahead of most drivers already. Buddy, good habits save money. Many electrical problems start from careless battery work. The solution is respecting small procedures. Practical tip: never force clamps or bolts. Gentle strength wins. Final thoughts coming up. Brother, battery work looks simple, but it carries real risk. Understanding electricity changes how you treat your car. The solution is knowledge and patience. Practical tip: teach this to family or friends. Next, we wrap it all together. Buddy, smart car ownership is about consistency. Small actions protect expensive systems. You now know what most drivers miss. Stay confident and careful. Almost done. Brother, remember this rule forever. Prepare first, remove negative first, reconnect negative last. This protects you and your car. You are now working smarter, not harder. Time to